What are we doing? Talking about our feelings?
All right, welcome back. Happy Monday, May 18th. So over the weekend, we got some rain.
This is the rain we were hoping for to get our plants planted in before it came, so we knew it was coming.
Yeah.
We didn't know how much we were going to get.
It was a gentle rain, like we were hoping for.
Very gentle.
It was more rain than we thought it would be.
But not horrible.
But not horrible.
So we planted everything, Friday night, right?
Yes.
And the rain was expected to come Saturday evening. So
and it did.
we got everything in Friday and
7
Saturday.
p.m. Saturday.
Did some gardening work back at Folks' place. Got that done Saturday morning. And then it rained. And it rained all of Saturday night and all of Sunday.
And this morning.
We still got cloud cover for most of the day today, but we haven't really got any more rain today. So in total, we got about a little over 2.5 inches of rain. So it's a pretty good amount.
Yeah.
Pretty good amount.
Yeah. So Andy got done with his day job, and we figured we'd come out and check it out.
Yeah.
So here we are. Let's go check out the veggies. Here's our doorway, one of them anyway, that we put in.
I mean, you could call it a door. It's more of a glorified opening.
Here's our opening. So here are the cabbages.
Up close. There you go. Oh, that's a beautiful cabbage.
I actually think that the cabbages grew since we planted them on Friday.
Yeah.
And some of them looked really sad. Even, let's go over here. Ooh, that's wet. Okay, okay. Even the broccoli, about half of the broccoli just looked sad and mopey when we planted them, and they all look pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, this one here is a little...
I mean, there's one or two that look kind of sad, mopey.
It's got one nice firm leaf, though, which means there's life coming back to the plant. Otherwise, every single other one of them look good. Pretty good.
Yeah.
Dig this one out.
And so, of course, here we have beans, peas. They're not up yet, obviously. We just planted them on Friday. It actually looks like the rain popped some of the peas back out. So, I wore the wrong shoes for this. Not that I have. That gives you an idea of how damp this soil is.
Yeah,
I just lost my shoe. Trying to get out. All right. To give you an idea of how damp it is, that side is a lot more broken up over there.
Allie, what happened to your shoes?
Yeah, that's what happened to my shoes.
What happened over there? Did you get in the garden? What the heck?
So that soil is broke up a lot more from a different tiller than what we used here and like all the way around over here. I got stuck. I actually lost my shoe. You can see my footprint from where I had to set my sock down, and now my sock is wet. So
I had to come bail her out.
he did.
I'm staying here in the safety area.
Well, this area is better. It's not as soft.
There's a couple peas sticking out.
I know, I was trying to put them back in. That's what happened over there, was I was trying to put the peas back in.
Oh.
So we're gonna have to wait until it dries up. It's supposed to be sunny Friday it's supposed to rain, but it's supposed to be sunny most of the rest of the week. So that can dry that up, and we'll just redo the peas. That's fine then. But
just push them into the ground as you find them.
But these we'll just go ahead and push back in.
It's nice and soft now. It'll be a lot harder to do when it dries out.
Yep. So we'll just get some of these peas back in there. But what I was trying to show you were
Peppers are looking fantastic.
The peppers look incredibly happy. They are all looking good.
Tomatoes look great.
For the most part, the tomatoes
I was kind of worried about them.
The tomatoes are looking good. I only see, I don't know, two, three They look a little sad, like this one right here,
They'll bounce back. They're
that
fine.
one right over there, but they all look really happy. Now what are you doing, Andy?
Well, brought the sledgehammer. Father asked us to move one of the posts, so reclaim a little of the garden area back to grass, because we decided not to till along where the bee plants are. So we're just gonna move posts, kind of cut that corner, and we've got a little bit of that heavier fencing hanging on the ground that we couldn't quite reach the other corner post that we had. So we're just gonna move that corner post to where the end of that is, so it's easy to take down, and then bring the other netting over to that post, and then we should be all done. So quick day for the most part. Just wanted to check and make sure everything was good, so let's get it.
Doing this, I'll give you a close-up of the tomatoes, since we're going to put a little entry on this side.
So last time we had told you about the honeybees that are here with the rest of the garden. So I'll just point out a couple of things to you. First of all, Father had planted, had these raised beds created and planted a bunch of flowers for a nectar source for his honeybees, to keep them around, but also to give them easy access. And then of course we put our garden right off of that with tomatoes, which benefit hugely from being pollinated by honeybees. So it'll increase the production of our tomato yields.
I literally can't see you.
And it should be a good setup to promote that. So here's the bees right over here. And we're not going to get too in depth with them, but we'll just kind of show you what's going on right now. They're not going to be super active today, just because it's kind of a cooler day.
They're more active than they were the other day,
but
though.
As you can see, they're out and about, and these ones in the front of the hives are kind of guard bees, so you never really want to cross in front of the hives, otherwise they might see you as a threat. But otherwise they're going to be kind of lazy today. Then here over to the right you'll see just a big grassy area. This is filled with clover and all kinds of other beneficial flowering plants that the bees love. So It's a pretty good
Now we're
setup.
just closing this up right now, and then this will be our second entryway.
Yeah, this is more so Father has easy access to his garden from his bees. So.
Well, and then if it's a damper day like today, we can access the tomatoes without losing our shoes.
Well, there is that bee problem.